Hi everyone, welcome back to a new vlog. I am in a bit of a rush right now, which is nothing new, but I'm just quickly trying to do my makeup. I feel like I'm gonna have to touch it up later because it does not look very good. But we have quite a jam-packed weekend coming up, so obviously I thought I would film it for you. My mum is about to come and pick us up because we're taking the cats back for the weekend and we're gonna stay for a little bit today. Then we're gonna drive back up to Glasgow because it's the first Six Nations Scotland match today, which I'm not really that interested in rugby to be honest, but I do enjoy going to watch the Six Nations. Then we're going back to my house because tomorrow my mum and I are going to see Strictly Come Dancing live, which I'm very excited about. If you watched my What I Got for Christmas haul, then you'll know that my mum bought me tickets for that. And then tomorrow evening is the Super Bowl, which if you have been following along at all when the Super Bowl's been on, Danny loves the American football, so we always have a bit of a Super Bowl party. We're actually going to Danny's brother's flat this year for it. Usually we do a Super Bowl party ourselves, but we're going to his this year. So it's gonna be a fun weekend. As I say, my mum's literally gonna be here in like 5 minutes and I have not packed a bag, but I just wanted to quickly start this vlog off here because I feel like it's gonna be kind of chaotic. What earrings do you think I should wear today?
Especially travel one, probably.
I'm stressed. My outfit today is so boring. I'm hoping this jacket makes it a bit more interesting, but I'm not a fan of it. On the way to the rugby, I managed to curl my hair quickly. Hopefully we're going to get there for kick-off, but the motorway has a lot of traffic on it right now. Scotland lost.
Bummer.
Good morning. I look so tired. My mum and I are about to attempt to make this bag that I saw on TikTok. I'm not really sure how it's going to go because the person obviously didn't like explain how she made it. So we're just gonna try figure it out along the way. I bought this fringe that I thought was cool, and then my mum has some nice fabric that I'm gonna use. This could be a complete fail. This is the fabric I'm gonna go for, I think, with the dragons on it. I feel like that goes quite nicely with the trim. Should we turn it back round and then do side seams? Here's my finished bag. I think it's so cool, so you can either wear it like this or you can wear it like a kind of Japanese knot bag and have it like that. I think it's so cool. It didn't work exactly like the person on TikTok's did. We had to add a seam down the side because we couldn't figure out how to sew it together. But yeah, this is it. And I love the tassels. And this is my outfit for Strictly. My pattern tights, and I'm gonna wear this too.
Someone's being packed.
Yeah, I do quite like that. It's a good shape. Are there one of those little ranchy pretzels?
Nah, those ranchy pretzels.
off to make the lighting better, but I really do not want to get up. Today is Wednesday. As you saw, I was at the physio this afternoon. My ankle has been so on and off. I don't even really know what to say. Like some days it feels almost completely fine, and then other days it's really sore, but the physio seemed to think it was healing quite well, and she's given me some good advice and some exercises to do on it. So I feel like we are definitely making progress. I actually went to the gym last night for the first time since I did it, and I used the stationary bike and my ankle felt okay. It hurts quite badly right now, but I think that was just from like being at the physio, and obviously I had to walk around a wee bit. I also met my mum in town and we went for lunch, which was nice. But I'm back at the flat now. I am so tired, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like because the past few weeks since I hurt my ankle, I have not really been doing much. I feel like anytime I leave the house, it really takes it out of me. But I've made myself a coffee, I'm in comfy clothes. I have pinned my fringe back because I feel like anyone with a fringe will understand that, you know, when your fringe is in your face all day, like I just cannot deal with it. Except I realised, can you see? Like all, oh bless you Bonesy, all of the breakage is so bad on the front of my hair. Oh sorry, that was a bit too close. I want nothing more right now than to sit on the couch and like watch TV, but it is only 20 to 4. But I feel like if I do that now, I'm not going to do any work for the rest of the evening, but then I'll also be really bored because I'll have sat on the couch already for like hours. Danny's on a work trip as well, I forgot to mention that. So I'm just by myself with the cats for the next couple of days, which is sad. I always miss Danny a lot when he goes on work trips, and obviously right now I'm not really doing a whole lot and leaving the house and stuff. I mean, I can't really complain, to be honest. I'm like kind of just chilling every day because I was obviously out the flat for a few hours. I do have a bit of work to do, so I think that's what I'm gonna do now. And then I'm maybe gonna put a face mask on. I'm also gonna make chili for dinner, which is gonna be really tasty. Oh, I actually bought something in town, let me show you. It is Valentine's Day this weekend, which I am very excited about. I love Valentine's Day. I'm probably gonna vlog it, but it won't be in this vlog. Danny and I don't usually really do Valentine's Day presents, but I kind of wanted to pick something up for him. It's also our only Valentine's Day engaged, which is like maybe not like a thing, but I just like to make a big deal out of everything. So I went to L'Occitane. He has this aftershave that he really likes, and I saw they did it in a shaving, what is this? An aftershave cream gel. So I thought I would pick that up for him. This is what it looks like. It was a really nice shop in there, and the lady who served us was so nice. She also put some samples in for me. Let's see what we have. We have a light comforting cream, a night serum, I think, and then a milk concentrate. I presume this is like a body lotion maybe. So that's fun. A nice little treat. Made myself chili for dinner. I'm not 100% sure how this is going to taste because we didn't have much tomato puree, so I ended up putting ketchup in it. I have no idea if it's going to work or not, but this is my dinner and I have it with some pita. I am so tired. Literally right out of a horror film right now, but it is currently 10:15. I'm actually feeling so tired, but my plan for the rest of the night is I am in bed. I have obviously put on a face mask. I also have a nice herbal tea, and I'm gonna watch a film because the other day I found in a charity shop this Audrey Hepburn Couture Muse collection set of DVDs, which I'm very excited about. I love Audrey Hepburn. We have on here Breakfast at Tiffany's, Funny Face, Paris When It Sizzles, My Fair Lady, Roman Holiday, and Sabrina. And I think tonight I'm gonna watch Funny Face. Going to the gym. Had such a bad sleep last night. lovely turbo angle. Why is the light so unflattering? But as you saw, I went to the gym this morning. On my way back, I went to the shops, so I thought I would show you what I picked up. I've obviously had a shower now. I've also put on a bit of makeup because I was filming a video for TikTok, because when I was at the shops, I found Elle magazine. Funnily enough, I was actually going to buy a new magazine anyway. I get British Vogue delivered every month, but I've already read this month's edition, and when I was watching Funny Face last night, it's about a fashion magazine, so I was like, really needed my fashion magazine fix. So I was going to buy Elle, and I saw they have a free UK lash mascara inside, and it also comes with Harper's Bazaar as well, which is great because I was actually between buying Elle and Harper's Bazaar. But if you follow me on TikTok, then you'll know that I've done videos before of getting freebies from magazines, and they're always the videos that do so well for me. My highest viewed video, I think my only video that's over 1 million views on TikTok, it is me finding something in Vogue magazine. So I feel like maybe Elle's not going to do quite as well, but I wanted to film me getting this anyway. So this was my first purchase. So here's the mascara, and then obviously we have Harper's Bazaar and Elle. So I'm going to read some of them later, but I picked up a few more things from the shops as well. I thought for lunch that I would make a soup. I don't know why, I just really felt like making myself a soup today. So for the soup, I have some kale. I got some celery, some lentils. It's basically going to be a lentil soup. Some carrots to put in the lentil soup. I also got some chickpeas, which is maybe an odd choice for soup, but I wanted to have a bit more protein. I also actually went and bought Danny a Valentine's Day card. I do still need to go to the shop later. I need to go to a different shop to get stuff to make pancakes on Valentine's Day morning, but Waitrose didn't have like a pre-made pancake mix, and I don't want to have to make my own pancakes. But I did pick him up a Valentine's Day card. I got this from Papyrus. If you're in the West End of Glasgow, they have really nice cards. Except I did put all of my shopping on top of this, so of course now it has bent. This lighting is so unflattering. I feel like this clip is chaotic. I actually think this whole vlog is chaotic. But I had a bit of a disaster with Valentine's Day cards, because I basically bought Danny a birthday card last year and it didn't come on time, and I was like, I'm gonna give him that for Valentine's Day, because I was so sure it didn't actually say happy birthday on it, and it was an X-Files card. I thought, so fun, I'll get that. Then a couple of days ago I looked at it and it does in fact say happy birthday on it. So I ordered a card from Etsy that was nice, and it just hasn't even been posted yet, and Valentine's Day is in like 2 days. So I went to Papyrus and I was like, I'm just gonna buy another card. I also could not find anywhere a card that said fiance on it, and this is our only Valentine's Day engaged. So I wanted something that said fiance. Couldn't find it. Apparently they don't exist. So in Papyrus I saw this card, but like I didn't really think about it when I bought it. So it says, our love is like Romeo and Juliet, and it says happy Valentine's Day. Do we want our love to be like Romeo and Juliet? Didn't really think about that when I bought it. I just saw Romeo and Juliet and I was like, perfect, whatever. I feel like he's still gonna appreciate the card. And as I say, I'm gonna make us pancakes, I think, on Valentine's Day morning. So I need to get stuff for that later. But right now I am going to make my soup because I am starving. I have just chopped up some carrots and celery, and I'm going to cook these off for a bit before adding the lentils. I think I add the chickpeas now as well. I think I'm going to add some hot chili powder as well to make it a wee bit spicy. Taste test. That's actually so good.